Hello dear students, hello everyone, hope you guys are fine and doing well. Welcome to business training. Yes guys, if you want to learn the best of online business and money making and topics for MBA, BBA, BCom, management, e-commerce and marketing, this is the right place. And me and with our team, we are always trying to deliver the best of online business training for you guys. Okay, so if you want to improve your business, if you want to become high in your financial issue, you are on the right place. And here is our WhatsApp group, guys. Here is our Facebook group that you can advertise your free business here. Okay, yes, so let's get started. So guys, today the topic which we are going to discuss is about how to start a successful business. Yes, how to start a successful business. So let's get started. So number one, guys, business must match with your passion. Business must match with your passion. Suppose you want to become the business must match with your passion. Suppose you want to become a doctor, so you cannot become an engineer because you do not have passion on that. You do not have passion on that. Suppose do what you like, and don't do what you like. Suppose if you like something, it means you're happily doing that one. It means you are working from your heart. You are working from your heart. And if you're not happy, guys, if you're not happy with your job, but what you're doing with that, so you do not have progression. It means you cannot have going into high level. So try to match your business with your passion level. Then you guys have an improvement because you guys are going to work from your heart. So now let's move to the next page. What we have. So the next thing is that I just want to say that is what? Do research about the business. So suppose any business which you are working on, that do some research. Do some research. It means go take some information. Suppose it can be online research or go watch practically. Suppose you want to open some hotel or you want to open an IT company. So in here, first try to do some Google search about this one. Try to find out at least some piece of information, or go at least go work for some 5-6 months in a hotel, in a restaurant, to see how they are working. So guys, it is very important that any business which you guys are working, you should do research on that. It means blindly you should not go that way. Okay, else you have to research via internet or you have to go physically and meet that requirement. So now let's move to the next one. The next one is about what? Create a business plan. Create what? A business plan. It means a list. For example, you can make this list on your computer or on a piece of paper. So create a list like this. So before starting your business, try to suppose, how much money I needed. This is the list. So how much employees I needed. This is the list. So what location should I have to start my business? Okay, how I should do with the marketing. So before starting your business, try to have a basic plan. Write all your requirements in a piece of paper, or you can write it in an Excel sheet or Word. Okay, so try to create a business plan before starting. So now let's move to the next. So guys, now the next part what we are going to do, invest with small budget. Suppose you are going to invest about $20,000 for any your business. So first, try to do not invest full of your money. So try to invest at least 10,000, or try to invest at least $7,000. So first of all, how much money which you have, do not invest all of them. Try to start with less money. So this is how you're going to do that. You're going to start with less money. Fine. So now let's move to the next, guys, what we have. Then the next one is about what? Is about research about your competitors. Research about your competitors. It means, who is your competitors? Suppose you are going to open a school. Already Bob has a school. Already Mike has a school. So now, before you're going to open a school, first go and watch them, that how they are running their business. For example, see how they are processing, how many employees they have. Find out some secrets about them. It means, what are, we can say, the reason behind their success, that they are running their businesses. You can work under them to see. Suppose it's okay, go at least 5-6 months, work in their companies, work in their schools, and see the environment, that how they are going to work. So simple, guys. Number 5, you have to research. You have to find your competitors, that who is going to have competition with you. Okay, so now let's move to the next. So the next one is about what? Number 6. Number 6 is about what? Hire the right employees. Hire the right employees. So guys, it is very, very important. So suppose if you have a very successful team, it matters. It matters. For example, right employees need good salary. Wrong employees need low salary but low quality. So the idea is like this, that try to make a very strong team. For example, any people which you are hiring, obviously you are going to give them salary, but the quality is going to be better. Suppose if you guys are giving the salary low, obviously the quality will be low. Suppose he is not too much professional, he doesn't know how to deal. So number 6, hiring the right employees matter. For example, if you want to make a successful team, a successful company, you need a successful team to run the business. Okay, fine. So this is point number 6. So now let's move to the next point, guys, which is very, very important, guys. So remember, guys, when you're going to in your office or on your business, so try to be respectful with everyone in your office. Remember, guys, an average salary with friendly environment, it is a win. A high salary with an environment, it is loss. Suppose you're going to give like your employees, suppose $1,000 per month. So but in here, like, environment is not friendly. It means you're always like shouting on him, like this. Environment is not friendly. So definitely this guy is going to leave the company, because no one loves that every day is starting with fighting, with arguments, with a bad behavior, and ask him something bad. But if you give them, suppose 700, suppose you guys have given 700, but the environment is friendly, I am sure they are going to stay there. because an average salary with friendly environments always win. So try to be friendly, good with your colleagues, with your employees, like this. Okay, fine. So this is point number 7. Now let's move to the next point what we have. So point number 8. Point number 8, guys, is very, very important. As a manager of your business, try to learn some management skills. For example, improve your time management, communication skill, and leadership skill. So guys, remember that for a boss of a company or for the owner of a company, he must have a good communication skill. For example, he know how to speak, he should know how to communicate with people, and he should have a very good leadership skill. So these are called communication skill. It means for a boss of a company, a good communication is matter. At least he know how to deal with the people, how to deal with the customer, how to deal with the employees, like this. Clear? So this is point number 8. So now let's move to the next point. Point number 9 is what? Point number 9. Ask your customers feedback. For example, what else do you want? Are you happy or not? Suppose when you sell a product for your customer, try to ask via email, via WhatsApp, or somehow, okay, you bought my product. How was that? How was that? Are you happy with that? Are you sad with that? Or if you have any question, suppose I'm going to sell a computer. I'm going to sell a computer for my customer. Then I'm asking, okay, how was the performance of computer? It was good or not? Did you like it? Did you hate it? Or do you have any question? Because giving or collecting the customer feedback, it is very important. Because if some point is missing, you're going to tell you, I'm not happy because of this. Then next time you have to repair that one. So it means asking the customer's feedback is one of important stuff in the business. So now let's move to the next what we have. The next thing is, guys, it's very important. That's start with an average selling price. With an average selling price. Suppose you're selling anything, suppose in your company or in your shop, anything. Try to put an average sell. Try to put an average sell. Suppose you're going to sell a cell phone. This is a cell phone. So now, if you put the price high, suppose the price you're putting $900, it is too much high. It is too much high. Or suppose if you put the price in 300, it is low. People are saying no, definitely it has some issues, because in this low budget giving like a cell phone, I don't think so. So try to maintain, you have to put an average price. Suppose you're going to put 500 or 600 or $600. So when you want to put pricing on your items, so try to put an average, not too much low that the people think maybe it has some disadvantages, or not too much high that the people cannot afford to buy it. Or try to maintain an average. Okay, so now let's move to the next what we have. So now, guys, the next one is about consistency. Consistency is the key for success. Consistency is the key for success. Consistency, it means you are repeating. You are what? You are repeating. It means you are never giving up. Check where was your mistake. So suppose if you fail in your business first time, it doesn't mean you're going to stop. It doesn't mean you're going. Okay, second, again, if you are failed, again, you're not going to stop. Third, so you have to check where is your mistake. Where is your mistake? I mean, which point is missing? Which point is missing? So you have to repeat it. That means you have to be consistent. You have to do it daily. Suppose if you want to build your body, in one day you cannot build your body, go to gym. So you have to be consistent. You have to be repeated till you have to find out. Clear? So now we are going to go for the next one. So let's go for the next point. What is it? So the next point, which one of my favorite, guys, always in the night write your daily plan before sleeping. Suppose, guys, night you are sleeping 9 p.m. you are sleeping. Before 9 p.m, suppose 8:30, you have to write your plan in a piece of paper. You have to write your plan in a piece of paper. So this is okay. So tomorrow 5 o'clock I have to do this one, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. So you have to write down your every this morning plan in a separate sheet before your bed. Okay, it's one of important, because morning when you get up, it means everything is ready. I mean, you have a clear mindset that what are you going to do. So it should be your one of the habit that before your sleep you have to write down your tomorrow's plan. So now let's move to the next, guys. The next point. The next point is like 6 months. Only focus on the flow of work. It means till 6 months, do not think about the loss or profit. Just you have to work. You have to work on the flow. So no party, smart work plus hard work, and do your best. In this 6 months, you are going to get a lot of information. What points are missing, how I should start, what should I do, what should I don't do. It means in this 6 months, you have to do your best. You have to do hard work and smart work in this starting of the 6 months. So do not think about the loss or profit. You have to work it. You have to work it. So now let's move to the next what we have. So now, guys, we know that we are living in the world of technology. Everything is digitalized. So don't forget to use the power of digital marketing. So create some Facebook page, Instagram, WhatsApp, make a websites. Like hire a digital marketer that he's going to send via email or SMS or Instagram or Facebook to show your products to the people. So this is one of the best platform that you guys are going to reach your customer. Okay, fine. So let's move to the next. So guys, we are going to end up. So we are going to end the videos. So I hope you like it, and don't forget, guys, like, subscribe, and don't forget press the bell icon, that anytime when we are uploading new pictures or new videos, you're going to get it. And don't forget to share the videos with your friends on the Facebook and Instagram like this, okay, and comment. We love to reply. So guys, thank you so much for your love and support, and stay connected for the next videos.